What's up, bro? That's Javier from the deli. Way to go, Mustang. You waited until you were all the way down here to put your right blinker on. The sons of bitches. What's up?
I like your video, bro.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you. That's dope, dude. Just chilling in traffic. Somebody knows your stuff. That cop was after somebody. He pulled out of there with fucking some vengeance. He was going for blood. But anyways, I don't have a mic. I need to get a mic for this camera. I need to get a mic adapter and a mic. I have a mic for my Hero 3, but it's just a horrible, horrible mic. You can't really hear anything on it. So I'm rolling without one. I'm putting music over most of my stuff because you can't hear me. You probably can't hear me now. I'm yelling. But I'm gonna try to talk. I'm gonna try to talk loud enough for you to hear me. Sorry if I'm yelling in your face. What I was saying was I am from Arkansas. That is Razorback Stadium right there, where the Hogs play ball. The Arkansas Razorbacks have their football games. And unfortunately, they currently lose many of them. Oh, snap, Sarah, it's the color scheme you like. She wants to paint our house blue like that. I make videos about a little bit of everything, the random things I do, just local events and stuff. It's fun. So I'm over here in Fayetteville. I'm gonna just go drive by our old duplex, just for funs and giggles. Oh, looks like somebody's living there. That's our old place. That was an awesome little duplex. It had a cool little backyard. It was the first time we've had a backyard of our own. It's such a convenient location too. Like, it was so close to the bike trail. It was awesome. Just ride my bike right down the road to the bike trail. It was so cool. That is a big tree. Anybody need a bumper or 4 tires? Wheels and tires, that is. Some side skirts. A rear bumper. I'll let you see the goods. There's the goods right there. If you like random things and you end up liking the things that I like, go ahead and give it a like-a-roo and a subscribe-y-dookle, and we can hang out on the interwebs. If you can even hear me. I mean, you might not even be able to hear me over the idle of my bike. I don't know. I know that I went ahead and played one of my videos on my computer with a new little speaker system, and it was just like all bass. Cause you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I was like, oh damn, that sucks. I need a mic so bad. Oh my god, I need to eat something, I think. I feel sick. That guy's cool. That guy is so cool. I wish I could get on that level. Maybe one day. Maybe when I grow up, I could be that cool. I don't know. It's a long time from now. I shouldn't even think about it. Motorcycle mania! Who do you wave at? Oh, that guy. What's up, bro? That's Javier from the deli. It feels so nice out today. Like, I'm comfortable and I'm not too hot in traffic. Like, summertime comes around, if we have to stop, I'm like getting all antsy, like let's go, because I'm hot, I'm sweating. My helmet's just getting stinkier and stinkier. Check it out. Holy man. He's on a motorcycle, he's gonna hit the gas and he's gonna run the red light. No, I did not. I stopped like a gentleman should, like a gentleman would if he could. Kia Soul, almost got one of those, almost bought one brand new whenever they came out. I'm glad I didn't, because they're lame. There's a puppy dog. I see the puppy dog in the song. I see the puppy dog over there. I see the puppy dog in the white Nissan. That's a song called Puppy Dog. Trademark 2014 Kangaroo Elite. Got it, nailed it. Fuck yeah. Making money, making bukus of bucks. Bye, pups. Oh snap, did it again. Way to go, Mustang. You waited until you were all the way down here to put your right blinker on. Really? You're like, I'm gonna get over. Look at this guy. Look at it, look at it.
Why are you the way that you are?
Dude, look what he's doing. What the fuck was he doing? That was hilarious. So that is just a testament to the stuff that you see when you're on a motorcycle. It doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing. It seems like you're so bound to see something. I can't believe that just happened. That was so funny. The left lane is for the passing and for the going faster of the right lane, please. The sons of bitches are ruining this corner for him. What's up? Oh, what's going on, man? I'm just headed home. No, dude, I bought a house here in Springdale.
Oh, all right, dude. Hey, I like your videos, though.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Yeah. All right. That's dope, dude. Just chilling in traffic. Somebody knows your stuff.